Getting the value for my money, it's what I'm always looking for whenever I purchase an item, whatever it is. No matter how expensive or how cheap or affordable it is, I will always want to restyle anything I purchase when it comes to clothing, shoes, all those good stuff. That is why I am so much into restyling an outfit and turning this outfit to that outfit, if you all get my point.
Do you believe in love? How crazy it could be.
Welcome back. How you all doing today? I hope you all are having a great day. Thank you all so much for stopping by today. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. So for today's video, I am going to be restyling this organza, or you could call it sheer jacket, that I purchased from Forever 21 sometime last year. Yes, last year, and I haven't worn it. I'm just looking at it on my closet right now, and I was gonna start cleaning up my closet because we're about to go into spring. I'm going to take all my jackets and my sweaters, move them to the back and bring my clothes there, that are very appropriate for spring. All right, I don't follow trend, but don't get me wrong, I don't want to wear thick jackets during the springtime or during the summertime. You just need something sheer, something very light to just guide you or keep you a little bit warm in the chill weather. All right, I don't know what part of the country you're watching me right now. Where I live, when it's springtime, it's a little bit chill. It's not super cold. So if you happen to live in that area where it's very cold during spring, I'm not going to recommend you to look into this sheer jacket, but I recommend you to watch. Maybe you never can tell. It might get to that point in that area where you live that you need something like that. Maybe it's no longer cold and you just need something to keep you a little bit warm and protect you from the chill weather. And if today is your first time coming across my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Let me know your thoughts about this video. Let me know which of the outfits, the way I'm going to be restyling, is your favorite. So here is the sheer organza. You could call it an organza, you could call it a sheer coat. All right, here is it. This is not waterproof. They actually have the waterproof one. That one I feel like it's going to feel a little bit like what they use for raincoats. That's waterproof. That makes sense. This one is a fabric, clothing fabric. It's sheer, you all can see it, and this is what I'm going to be restyling today. Like I always say, I don't know how many ways I'm going to style it, but I'll make this video as fun as possible as I can, and don't make it too long as well, and just let you see so many ways that you could use this, like this. Most people that I've seen, they've only used jeans to style this, but I'm about to style it with other outfits. All right.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should ride on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all up. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I've been feeling like the motherfucking man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up, fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow, yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all love. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good, good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love.
Wavy. Oh na na, it's more sticks on the beat, yeah. Oh na na, say I wanna leave you in the morning, but I need you now. Yeah, yeah. I find you, I give you all you're needing. I know just what you like.